Hello, today we are going to start our new project which is called we can say ChatGPT clone or like AI assistant using the ASP.NET MVC template. The ASP.NET developers knows very well about it. So we will take simple ASP.NET MVC template. We will select from the Visual Studio and giving the name ChatGPT clone. The ASP.NET developers knows very well about it. So we will take simple ASP.NET MVC template. We will select from the Visual Studio and giving the name ChatGPT clone. In the template default directory is already added, where we will find controllers, models, and some other views against directories already added, where we will find controllers, models, and some other views against our controllers. So if any controller is not added, you can create simply right click on the folder controller you can add, and against the controllers action you can add view as well. So we have take simple template and add the chat controller as well. Home controller and count controller is already added. In model classes we need a chat conversation, chat message, application user, OpenAIRequest, OpenAIResponse. Next in data folder we are having the class ApplicationDbContext, which acts as a bridge between your application and database. After this there is the repository directory are used to separate your data access logic from your business or your logic. Then in the directory we are having a service folder which is having interfaces and their implementation to the relevant classes. The service is responsible for communicating with the OpenAI. It takes the user message, convert it into JSON, and then sends an HTTP post request with the API key for authentication, and then receives the AI generated response. Basically it acts as a bridge between your ASP.NET MVC application and the OpenAI service. Next we are having view models that are used to send only the data specific view needs, and next is the two views which are basically HTML files for our front-end application. Then there is the file AppSettings.js, which stores settings relevant to your application needs at runtime instead of hard coding them in C#. Common things stored in this file are like your database connection, strings, API keys, app settings, logging settings, and then there is the file name program.cs which is the entry point of your ASP.NET Core MVC application. This is the file that runs when you start your application. Its job is to configure services and middleware. Main responsibilities are register services like we can say dependency injection, or tell ASP.NET what services your application needs.